Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you HOGPO, Red Light Lamp. Yeah, with that. This is an infrared handheld device with a stand called Red Light with 3808 nm plus 16 650 nm 4-stage light and a 12-stage time of action. An infrared red light device with light-emitted diode display and goggles. We have dual light waves. That means we have infrared lamp takes the 16 piece of 650 nm plus 3 piece of 808 nm high efficiency lamp beats. Scientific ratio deep penetration, more efficient than a single red light. And we have 12 stages of processing timing. The red light provides 5 up to 60 of minutes of flexible timing to meet the different needs. That means an easy to use and automatic shutdown is not more stress-free for us. And with 4-stage light intensity adjustment, it supports 30%, 50%, and a high 80%, and of course, 100% light intensity. This cold red light can be unlocked depending on the tolerance and use of the scene. From light to deep irradiation, a key to an easy adjustment. And comfortable temple. The red light equipped with a 360 degrees rotatable high adjustable temple that facilitates irradiation of the face, the shoulders, the neck, and the back, with 3 safety glasses for our safety, of course. And with a long life device, the built-in high-capacity battery means the full battery life of the 3 to 4 hours, low and medium intensity, and it comes with a Type-C interface, which means fast charging. Travel, home, that can be used everywhere. We find a computer, for example, so we can reload it. We find an AC adapter like our smartphone adapter, we can reload it again. And then we can have a handheld device here. We can go to vacation, we can go to a business trip and can use it where we need it and where we like it. The HOGPO handheld red light unit with 650 nm and 808 nm LEDs. Handheld device. And we have a tripod support and a timer function and different brightness levels. And it's really double beats combination and the precision light waves. That means we have a surface care and adapt activation. That means, of course, the 650 nm laser diodes makes the upper skin in a good condition. And the 808 nm laser diodes make it deeper, for example, muscle. Yeah, the muscle can be better with that. It promotes the comfort. It promotes the energy. It increases the vitality. And it reduces the feeling of tension. And one touch circuit of 12 time durations. We can choose from 5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, up to 60. And we have a tripod. We attach the clamp at the top of the tripod base and tighten it. Then we go and open the tripod legs in 3rd row. We set the height of it. Equivalent position and pull the telescopic rod and pull it. Job's done. We tighten the screw. Here we are. Attach the red light unit with the terminal and adjust the angle. And we can see what we all get here. The product pack and the goggles, the tripod, the red light unit, and of course a charging cable. Wow, that's cool. That's easy. That's nice. Because you have goggles. And this goggles makes you feel so cool, baby. That's all possible with the HOGPO red light lamp, which is not only suitable for human, for pets too, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.